guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the Snapchat new update in order to get the 3D Bitmojis. So the first option is to make sure that your Snapchat is fully updated. So if you go to your Play Store and then if you go to Snapchat, here you have to get the update button, and the last update will be a couple hours ago. So I do not have that update. So to solve this, we have to go on our Snapchat app, and then we have to go on our profile, which is in the left top corner, and then we have to go to settings, which is this gear in the right top corner. After that, we have to scroll down and go to feedback, and then click on the first option, which is I spotted a bug. And then we have to go to profile, and here we have to say that we do not have the new update available. So let's write hello Snapchat team. I don't have the new update and the 3D Bitmojis available. Please solve this problem for me. You can also add a screenshot with the problem and let them know that this problem is real. And then click submit. So that's it, guys. You will get your new update in less than 24 hours, and I hope you will get the 3D Bitmojis. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.